Welcome back to the channel. Please take a moment to like, share, subscribe, and comment, please.
Nasty, up in a nasty, nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good tech.
Today we're going to be unboxing the Rayban Meta Smart Glasses. What comes in the box? What comes in the box is the charging case, the glasses, quick guide, as well as other paperwork that you can look over. My glasses finally arrived, so let's unbox. With these glasses, you can listen to music, you can make a call, you can live stream, you can also ask AI what you're looking at. You'll notice the green indicator light letting you know that the glasses are fully charged. Let's try these babies out. Absolutely love the video these glasses take. I'm extremely happy